guys, welcome back to Serita Sunshine YouTube channel. My name is Sarah. So guys, I had promised to show you today how I do my packing. Yesterday we baked a lot of cakes and today we are going to pack, and I'm going to pack with you guys. Let's go. I'll show you how I do the breading, everything. So guys, come with me, let's do it together. Let me show you the cakes and all the equipment we are going to use. The tags or the brand to the packaging papers. Let me show you. And this is the final product.